Globally, we have a very important catastrophic situation with ecology and global warming. And this is a large enough theme for everyone to explore, experiment, and try to not find necessarily answers, but to deal and experiment and research either of how weather influences us personally, socially, and geographically.
The Tropical Lab experience has been amazing. It's always been a dream to come to Singapore, and my favorite part has been how integrated this city is with nature and being able to work and collaborate with artists from all over the world.
I will surround myself with the same people that I have back home. Just here, they are from all over the world. Because when I think about weather, it's like fear and consciousness that maybe I don't have enough.
We had to be brave enough to go with the flow and let the work resolve itself along the process. I kind of wanted to look at ourselves as sort of a microclimate, and I wanted to see how physical engagement and moving and playing together would influence the dynamics of the group.
When I think about the weather, this theme, from more of a broader connotations like time or earth, I started to realize all these transformations that human beings have been through due to weather may have been witnessed by trees or clouds, ground, oceans.